You can't build an effortless business by practicing the vibration of effort. You can't create an effortless life with effort, because when you effort, what vibration are you practicing? The vibration of effort. You cannot create a reality of ease from the vibration of effort. You can't create a reality of abundance from the vibration of lack. How do you know if you're practicing a vibration of lack or abundance? Your physical reality is telling you by what you're experiencing. It's that simple. What you need to do is look at that physical reality and ask yourself, what perspectives am I choosing? What beliefs do I have going on that make me a match to this reality? It's that simple. That's the name of the game. And as you practice that exercise, as you get good at identifying your perceptions and shifting them, you evolve. With every perception shift that you make, you become a brand new person with a brand new vibration. And every single experience that you have your sights on, every single experience you want to bring into your physical reality is just one perception shift away. Because that's all it takes to become a vibrational match to what you want.